Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So I finally got some items that I've been waiting on. I ordered 2 Shop Your Looks items I'm going to show you. I ordered a top from Macy's and a top from Nordstrom. So give me a minute and I'll show you the first Stitch Fix, Shop Your Look, or categories, however you want to say it, item. So hold on, let me back up for you. This is by Market and SPRUCE, the Annora knit midi dress. It is striped with black stripes, thin black stripes. This is the first thing, I just literally trying it on now to see how it looked. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or not. I'm actually going to have to look back at the footage and see how clingy it is. I'm sucking in my gut right now, not letting it all roll out. No shapewear on, but I may end up wearing shapewear. It has a tie on the side. It is a like faux wrap because it's sewn here, so no wardrobe malfunction with a like tulip-like hem. So I like this dress. I'm just wondering if it's a little bit snug on me and showing clean and showing every roll and bump. I'm not so sure. I'll have to look back at the footage, okay? All right, next up is another dress. Oh, and one more thing I wanted to tell you. I don't know if you guys noticed this, but when you're doing categories, and just say you choose on dresses, right? And you'll see only a limited number of dresses, and you're like, that's it for dresses? Even when you click on more and you select more, there's still not a lot. But just say you then select one dress, and then you scroll down, and they give you other suggestions, and then they'll say more in this brand. They're gonna show you more that way than they would in the dress section, which I don't understand. So they're only showing you a select number of dresses in the dress section that's like selected for you. That isn't, you know, all inclusive of all their dresses, I found. Another thing, I was looking for shorts, right? And there was nothing, you know, I mean, there were things that I liked and everything, but I'm like, that's it for shorts? There's not much. And then I ended up going to a pop of color category, and there were more shorts in there that weren't in the shorts section. So really, if you really want to look around and play around, you have to look at all their different items, you know? It's not like, here are the dresses and here's every dress we have. So just letting you know that. All right, give me a minute and I'll show you the next Stitch Fix item. The Market and SPRUCE Alisha knit maxi dress in black. So this dress, let's see, it has this crisscross detail in the back, which I thought was kind of cute, and I was a little bit fearful it was going to be difficult to put on, but it was not. All right, it's a really soft knit material. It is a little tight in my bust, but I don't think I would want to size up on this because I don't think it looks bad. Like, I don't think it's stretching or anything. I'll have to look back at the footage. I think this is a good size. I think it looks nice on me. I have to look back at the footage myself. Let me know what you think. I did look at the footage the last dress, and I'm leaning towards returning it because it makes me, I think, look hippie. But you guys can let me know in the comments below. I like the dress, but I'm not so sure I like it on me. I think I like this on me, but I haven't seen the footage for this one yet either. So it actually, this is a petite, both of them are petite extra small, so they come to a good length on me. So I think this is a maxi that works for me. Usually maxis do not work, but I think this one does. So I think this one is a keeper. And this was only $48, which I don't think is a bad price, all right? Let me know your thoughts on both dresses. Should I keep either of them? Should I only keep the black one? You know, let me know your thoughts. Okay, next up, I'm going to put on my Nordstrom top. Give me a minute. Up next is this Nordstrom top that is inspired to buy by Andrea from Dress Like You Mean It. So she has another YouTube channel where she does unboxings, and this was in her outfit of the day, and I just absolutely love the color. It is by One State. It is in turquoise, and I believe it's called the tie waist smocked top. So it has like a smocked neck around here, and it has the smocked sleeves that kind of give it a balloon effect. It has the cover buttons down the front and of course the tie bottom. I purposely got it because I wanted a turquoise top to go with this skirt. This is a Stitch Fix skirt from Skies Are Blue from last year, and I've only been able to find a white top to wear with it. I was never able to find a turquoise that goes with the skirt. And I actually do think this color goes pretty well with the skirt. I'm just not so sure this style top goes with it. They also had this top in just like a turquoise t-shirt with like puff sleeves, so I was thinking about getting that, and I was, you know, hemming and hawing, do I get this one or get the t-shirt? I said, let me get this one. Now I'm thinking maybe this skirt would have been better with a t-shirt. But you tell me. I did get this in a small, and I'm not so sure why I got it in a small. And it is a little bit too low cut for me, because not only am I short in my legs, but I'm short this way. So the V comes down mighty low and almost hits my bra. And when I bend over, you can see inside my shirt, because it is fairly roomy. I think I could go down to an extra small in this, and that would probably lift it up a little bit. I'm not so sure about this one. You guys let me know. Should I keep this, or should I return it? Should I try the extra small if there is one? Or maybe even I should get the t-shirt. So let me know your thoughts on this. Again, this is by One State, and it was from Nordstrom's for $69.50. All right, so here is the front of it, the neck, all right? And then the back. It is a beautiful color, a beautiful top. But my full intention was to wear it with this skirt. If it doesn't work with the skirt, then I need to go back to the drawing board. So let me know your thoughts. Okay, up next is my Macy's top. Give me a minute. Next up is this Calvin Klein, very see-through gauze top. I wanted a gauze top, and I sized up to a small in this because I wanted it oversized. You see how long it comes on me? I'm all right with it being see-through, and I'm all right with it being oversized because I wanted to wear this more as a jacket / cover-up, and I wanted it to cover my rear end, which this does. So this is like the perfect lightweight beachy type of top to have that I wanted in my wardrobe. I think it's almost like a wardrobe staple for any kind of beach pool cover-up type of thing. It has the roll tab sleeves, which I know people hate. It doesn't bother me. So I got this one side rolled, and I got this one size regular and rolled down and buttoned so you can see it. And you can see it's long on me. Again, I'm short, but I'm okay with that. Again, this is supposed to be a relaxed, oversized top. I paid $46.99 for it. The price is actually $79.50. It's by Calvin Klein, and I purchased it at Macy's. So I think this is good. I'm going to keep this. This is a nice top for the purposes I intended it for. All right, so again, here's the back of it and the front of it. And yes, I realize it's see-through, but I was planning to wear it as like a cover-up or a jacket. You know, it'd be good too, like if I have like a sundress and it's a little cool, I could throw this on over top of it and keep it open. All right, thank you again for returning subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Welcome, newbies. I do shopping hauls, unboxings, and when I get things, I like to share them with you so you can get an idea of what's out there and maybe get inspired. That's how I started watching videos for many years before I actually became a YouTuber myself, and I said, why not? And I actually had some encouragement from Kayla's Closet, so she encouraged me to start, and here I am about a year later still just doing these hauls and unboxings. All right, take care, and until next time.